my favorite thing to do.
Puberty, yay!
Yeah, I'm a little fast. I know I'm only 11.
I heard Tony Robbins talking about you. Oh, you should have heard what he said. All the girls like, oh, and he said, panic, the world is ending. No.
You know that, man.
Well, he is kind of a conspiracist. It's okay, sweetie, it's okay.
We went on one date, man. We went to the park. I thought we had a good time.
It's okay, just
He said to me when we were sitting on the bench, man. He said, don't turn this race into a murder.
Alright, so there's a lot of humor behind this line, because in company class we play this game, and somehow that line ends up in every single one of these boxes. One line that says, and I quote, do not turn this rape into a murder. Now, we played it, and there was one game, Zach got this line 3 times in a row.
No, 4 times.
4 times in a row. How does that happen? The world may never know.
Alright, we're gonna continue with our,
I'm going to follow the rules back. Everybody,
It's fit. It's fit.
You guys said that to me. That's when I told the
I love you. I said, if you don't shave as much, then he won't hit on you so much. You know, you should always do what my father told me to do in this situation. Beg, you are dead. I don't know, I just had to run away and let my mom deal with it. I haven't seen her for a while.
I don't know. Last time I was playing Deadbeat Gods, and they thought I was actually dead, and they said to me, Kevin Kilpatrick is my one and only love. I think it's kind of fruity, and that's why they're in the girls' locker room.
Well, I can't deny it. He is kind of gorgeous. He's a delicious person. Hair, man. Oh my goodness.
And we were at his locker, and I said, dude, you just picked your nose. And he was like, yeah, I did.
Well, that was a little something extreme. I asked him if he wanted to have a pillow fight, and he said, home buyer's warranty.
Somebody said to me about the drummer, his name Zach Thomas, was pretty sexy. He said, Mama, the zebra's in the fridge again. For Zach Thomas is a hunk.
I think it's going for me. Slip a little nitro in his jump. However, one thing I will say about him is Cheerios are monsters. I don't eat that very
Well, they can't read Mama's.
Yeah, so I'm kind of tired, but before I go to bed, I always say just one thing before I go to sleep. It helps me have sweet dreams and go to bed. Both kinds, country and western. I like to dream about the household.
I prefer cow men. Actually, I'll wish you good night by saying this one last thing. Don't turn this race into